Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Questrade. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to invest your money wisely. And Questrade is a great option for both new and experienced investors. But before we get into the different types of accounts you can open with Questrade, let's take a step back and talk about what Questrade is and why you might want to choose them as your broker. Questrade is a discount brokerage firm that offers a wide range of investment products and services. They're known for their low fees and user-friendly platform. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Questrade has something to offer you. Now, let's get to the meat of this video, the different types of accounts you can open with Questrade. Questrade Individual Account. This is the most basic type of account you can open with Questrade. It's perfect for individual investors who want to buy and sell stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. With a Questrade individual account, you can also trade options and futures. Questrade Joint Account. This type of account is ideal for couples or other joint investors. It allows you to share your account with another person, so you can manage your investments together. Questrade Retirement Account. If you're looking to save for retirement, Questrade offers a variety of retirement accounts, including traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and 401k plans. Questrade Taxable Account. This type of account is best for investors who don't need the tax benefits of a retirement account. It's also a good option for short-term investments. Questrade Margin Account. A margin account allows you to borrow money from Questrade to invest in stocks, bonds, and other securities. This can be a great way to leverage your investments and potentially earn higher returns. However, it's important to be aware of the risks associated with margin trading. Questrade Options Trading Account. If you're interested in trading options, you can open a Questrade Options Trading Account. This type of account gives you access to a variety of option strategies. Questrade Futures Trading Account. If you're interested in trading futures, you can open a Questrade Futures Trading Account. This type of account gives you access to a variety of futures contracts. Questrade Business Account. If you're a business owner, you can open a Questrade Business Account. This type of account gives you access to a variety of business investment tools and resources. Now that you know about the different types of accounts you can open with Questrade, it's time to decide which one is right for you. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance when making your decision. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on investing and personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.